with the cedar dust, carving up a storm in a moonlit hush. Knuckles all white on the maple grain, turn one good block into a living name. They got a pike and
Along the way, we'd like to make some important safety mentions. It is important that you always keep all body parts inside the train. Our railroad features close clearances on both sides of the train, when it comes to rock pits, trees, and its owner. Also, we kindly ask that you please refrain from smoking or moving or chewing tobacco aboard the train. This is a courtesy of our other passengers as well as the safety of our vintage equipment and the beautiful terrain along the track. Lastly, while the train is in motion, please refrain from leaving your seat. This is for your own safety as well as those around you. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy today's excursion. So thank you for riding with us on the 4th of July. It's pretty cool. Riding the train on America's 50th birthday. So we're going to have a good thing right today. Today we're going back in time to an era when everything as far as the eye could see was owned by the Stearns Company. More than 100 years ago, in 1902, Michigan industrialist Justice Ed Stearns came here. He purchased 30,000 acres of land to expand the Stearns Company southward. Those acres were later expanded to over 200 square miles in what was then Liberty and Wayne counties in Kentucky and Scott Mitchell's counties. This was one of the land that was left alone after the very stressed. Most other resources later were to be tapped. And the Stearns Kentucky was soon expanded to include every operation. After Stearns discovered the company was renamed the Stearns Kentucky. As the Stearns Kentucky expanded to its operations from made for a railroad was obvious. So on May 22nd, 1902, under the general laws of Kentucky, the Kentucky and Tennessee Railroad was established. By May 15, 1903, 3.5 miles were replaced from the company town of Stearns to the mining camp of Barfield. The town of Stearns was home to logging and catfish along the K&T track. This camp was connected by a 45-mile railroad that was home to 2,200 employees and their families. The Stearns Company prospered for 70 years after many mines such as Barfield, Woodbury, and Justice. There's been little among the national regulation. During the American nation about the Stearns Company was relative to the K&T Railroad, and first speakers were on the road. Again, the U.S. and the plants and the German excursion. Coming up on your right was the Wright family farm. This farm was originally established by the Stearns Company as an experimental farm. It used to teach people alternative methods to traditional farming. It was also used to give the village kids that were also working with the mines. Mr. John F. Wright, head of the Stearns Company, initially the general mining superintendent. His design was legendary. The city gave him smart plate. The farmer still owned by the descendants of Mr. Wright to this day. And on the right is Marcus under the Wright family farm. This is the Wright family farm. Along the north side of the road, the east side of the border, the Brahma National Forest. It stretches diagonally across the aesthetic of neighborhoods very few. The forest is divided among 6 districts, and the Playground District is served by the Stearns Brandon District Office. The Stearns District is comprised of 117,000 acres in the Plains and Western Rain County and has 2 state round rivers. The outfit in the mid-south branch is about 3 candidates of senior power districts, 12 people march for. Urban realize that the United States National Trail is also located in the district.
Scenic railway ride, take me through the pines. Stearns Kentucky on the line. Let it rock me slow, let it carry me past the green cut banks to the open breeze. Stearns Kentucky, all aboard. Stearns Kentucky, roll once more. Scenic railway ride, take me through the pines. Stearns Kentucky. On the line, Stearns Kentucky, all aboard. I was just a kid, 17 years old. I saw the news, the story was told. A plane hit the building, a day of despair. 9/11 shadow hanging in the air. Right then I knew who I was meant to be. Ran to the recruiter for all to see. Found a place for myself, a purpose and plan. To stand up for my country, to be a man. I put on my boots and I laced them up tight. Donned the uniform, dressed for the coming fight. I took that oath and I meant every word. For freedom's a gift that's rarely conferred. It has a price, a cost that's unseen, paid by those who answer the call, a forgotten scene. We leave our families, we head for the sea, to protect their freedom, their liberty. We are American veterans. We stand proud and tall. We fight until the mission is complete, giving our all. Born for this purpose, it's deep in our soul. We stand and we salute. We won't lose control. We lost some brothers, we won't forget their names. They paid the ultimate price in war's cruel games. From the sands of Iraq, across my heart I wore that U.S. Army patch, and so much more. flag in our hand.
Underground is a guy, this is a civil rights. This is a large country of historical Kentucky and plains and whatever. It's been happening since one other time on the window for how much you can sell hands apart from family until the land went away. So that's the real part. That's why it's civil rights. You all right?
March on up, take a seat. Perry got a block of wood and a knife in steady hands. Rotary tools on the bench. He can shape a grin by noon. Carving wood to relax and share it with his friends. He looks at the grain, finds a hidden shape. One clean cut and the world can change. Perry the carving wizard, bring that smile back. Perry the carving wizard, watch the wood come alive. Left, right now, march on up, take a seat. Perry the carving wizard, he can teach you something sweet. Hey! He wore the uniform with pride. Kentucky Guard, U.S. Army strong. Years from Iraq still echo, but the knife helps him carry on. Not for fame, not for gold, just to lift somebody's day. Show a neighbor a new technique, then hand the art away. Every chip that falls takes a little weight. Every little bird learns to fly from the grain. Perry the carving wizard, bring that smile back. Perry the carving wizard, watch the wood come alive. Left, right now, march on up, take a seat. Perry the carving wizard, he can teach you something sweet. He'll carve you a story out of rough hewn sense. From one man healing to a whole world wide, one small piece of kindness at a time. Perry the carving wizard, bring that smile back. Perry the carving wizard, watch the wood come alive. Left, left, right now, march on up, take a seat. Perry the carving wizard, inspiring others is his beat.